I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by installing Rainmeter and at least one clean skin pack. This gives you the elements you'll place on the lock screen. Once done, create or enable a secondary Windows user or set up dynamic lock so Rainmeter can run without your desktop session interfering. Make sure to add the lock screen plugin or a compatible wrapper app. This bridges Rainmeter to the Windows lock interface. You're preparing the environment, so the rest of the steps will work reliably and persist through restarts. Now configure each skin for low resource use and lock screen constraints. Lower update frequency to 30 seconds or more, disable high CPU meters, and pick minimal visual effects. You should anchor skins to specific coordinates and enable click-through where needed so the lock screen still responds to system gestures. Once configured, export the skin bundle and tweak positional offsets so elements won't be cut off on the lock interface. Test everything on your desktop first to avoid surprises when locking the PC. Finally, deploy by setting Rainmeter to run at startup under the user that handles lock display. If needed, configure the wrapper or service to run with elevated permission so it can draw on the lock screen. Lock the screen and confirm each skin's placement. If something is off, unlock, tweak offsets, then re-export. If the lock screen is blank or skins fail to load, check plugin permissions, verify the wrapper service is active, and inspect Event Viewer for errors. These clues tell you what to fix next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.